Our hearts are full of joy as we celebrate a milestone birthday of our beloved Managing Trustee, Shri Jairaj Thakkar. Though this program may be short, it is our endeavor through it to express all that we feel for Jairaj Bhai, the utmost respect, familial love for the patriarchal figure that he is, and the most sincere gratitude for the manner in which he enriches countless lives. Before we witness nuggets of such expression, let us befittingly pray for his longevity and good health.
ज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः। ऋस्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः। गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः। मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः।
For the continued success of every member of the Jamnabai Narsi family, whether it is an individual or as a collective, it is to Jairaj Bhai that we owe immense gratitude for being the wind beneath our wings. We are able to soar high because he raises us. Let's hear the beautiful metaphoric song that expresses this sentiment.
Have been cold there in our shadows, to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let us shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So we were the ones with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Higher than the eagle. be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're our hero? You're everything we wish we could be. We could fly higher than we could. You are the wind beneath our wings. If we ever tell you you're our hero, you're everything, everything we wish we could be. Oh, one day we could fly higher than the eagle. You are the wind beneath our wings. You are the wind beneath our wings. Oh, the wind beneath our wings to you. You are the wind beneath our wings. Fly, fly, fly away. You let us fly so high. Oh, you, the wind beneath our wings. Oh, you, the wind beneath our wings. Fly, fly high against the sky, so high we almost touch the sky. Thank you, thank you, thank God for you, the wind beneath our wings.
Senior advisor Mrs. Vaz has had the longest association with Jairaj Bhai, over 5 decades. Let's hear Mrs. Vaz express her thoughts on this milestone occasion.
School is a deceptively small 6-letter word which is a living organism. It is a sanctuary where we do teaching and learning, learning and teaching. We learn, we earn, and we live. It is such a school where we have learned to live body, mind, and soul with youthfulness. Our founder principal put in this tagline, "Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure." It is in such a school, this institution has got a father figure, a remarkable gentleman, Sri Jairaj Bhai. All members of the board of Narsimonji Educational Trust knew, and so did we, that this gentleman is a man of conscience and he will do always the right thing. So here's Jairaj Bhai, a toast that I am privileged to propose to you on behalf of all our staff members of Jamnabai Narsi School, Jamnabai Narsi International School, and Jamnabai Narsi School at Gift City. We celebrate today your 70th birthday. You have scarcely noticed the welfare that you have created to the community in Mumbai and in Ahmedabad. I wish you youthfulness for the next 30 years, and I know you will do everything with joy and commitment. Happy birthday.
The Jamnabai Narsi schools always take pride in being rooted in tradition. What better way to express this rooting in tradition than to sing birthday wishes for Jairaj Bhai in Sanskrit?
शुभदिनं जन्मदिनं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं शुभदिनं जन्मदिनं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनम् सर्वदा कुरु कीर्तिवर्धनं सर्वदा कुरु पुण्यवर्धनं सर्वदा कुरु कीर्तिवर्धनं सर्वदा कुरु पुण्यवर्धनं विजयी भवतु सर्वत्र सर्वदा जगति भवतु तव सुयशगानं जगति भवतु तव सुयशगानं शुभदिनं जन्मदिनं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनम्
Every support staff member in the Jamnabai Narsi family feels seen and heard by Jairaj Bhai. A representative group would not like to miss this opportunity to express their love and gratitude to him for the same.
हजारों साल साल के दिनों 50,000 आप जिए हजारों साल साल के दिनों 50,000 बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिन ये गाए बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिन ये गाए आप जिए हजारों साल ये हमारी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे श्री जयराज भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू फूलों में चमन से आपको ये सलाम भेजा तारों ने गगन से आपको ये पैगाम भेजा दुआ है ये खुदा करे तेरे पूजनीय आपको चांद की उम्र लग जाए आए तो कयामत आए आप जिए हजारों साल ये हमारी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे श्री जयराज भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
Principal Miss Anupama Singh has deftly picked up nuances of the figures that have influenced Jairaj Bai's life. Let's hear it from her and be more in awe of this towering personality.
Respected Jairaj sir, as you reach this momentous milestone of 70 years in your life journey, on behalf of all the students and staff of Jamnabai Narsi School Gift City, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. We are blessed and extremely fortunate to have you as our leader and guru. You indeed embody and personify so many of the values that we hold dear. And yet, we all agreed unanimously that the most apt comparison was with the 6 luminaries, after whom our 6 houses are named. Like Gandhiji, you give us freedom. Like Tagore, you shower wisdom. Like Einstein, you teach us relativity. Like Swami Vivekanand, you preach spirituality. Like Lincoln, you are a great leader. And like Akbar, the ruler of our hearts. This special day is the perfect opportunity to thank you for always inspiring us to aim higher. Dear sir, wishing you a day filled with joy and a life filled with happiness as well as good health.
The performing arts quintessentially express the universality of emotions. Members of the Jamnabai Narsi family from Gift City will take us through song and dance that convey theirs.
मार्कण्डेय नमस्तेस्तु मार्कण्डेय नमस्तेस्तु सप्तकल्पान्त जीवन आयु आरोग्य सिद्ध्यर्थं प्रसीद भगवन् मुने आयु आरोग्य सिद्ध्यर्थं प्रसीद भगवन् मुने प्रसीद भगवन् मुने प्रसीद भगवन् मुने ॐ
શુભ જન્મ દિવસની આવી છે શુભ ઘડી શુભ જન્મ દિવસની આવી છે શુભ ઘડી શુભ જયંતિ નિમિત્તે શુભકામનાઓ ઘણી શુભ જયંતિ નિમિત્તે શુભકામનાઓ ઘણી શુભ જન્મ દિવસની આવી છે શુભ ઘડી ધિમ ધિમ તાનુનું ધિમ ધિમ તાનુનું ધિમ ધિમ તાનુનું ધિમ તાનુનું સ્વાસ્થ્ય સંપદા સમૃદ્ધિને ऐश्वर्यवान થાઓ સ્વાસ્થ્ય સંપદા સમૃદ્ધિને ऐश्वर्यवान થાઓ તમ જન્મ દિવસની હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ
साथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरी गली, मुझको घर मिला आबोदाना मेरा, हाथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा, मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाई, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम,
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे। ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Your generosity is full of inspiration. Every moment you plant a seed of dreams, hopes, and motivation to learn, to grow, and to succeed. Without you, sir, we wouldn't be the people we are today. You are building a strong foundation that no one can take away. And so, we wish you
It's a happy birthday, your birthday, your birthday. It's a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. It's a happy birthday, may you live to be 103. It's a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Take a vow on your birthday, your birthday, your birthday. Show them how on your birthday, how you still look as good as you. It's a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. It's a happy birthday, may good luck alone knock at your door. It's a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you.
Shakespeare said, "If music be the food of love, play on." Let's sit back and enjoy the medley that will take us through the emotions and ideas of joy, life, happiness, togetherness, and spirit, all together encompassing our special wishes for Jairaj Bhai's special day.
झूमो गाओ नाचो, धूम मचाओ नाचो, आया मंगल त्योहार लेके खुशियाँ अपार। झूमो गाओ नाचो।
Principal Ms. Zeenat Bojaboy and Head of School Ms. Jasmine Madani are excellent mentors themselves, but they give all credit for what they have been mentored by Jairaj Bhai. Let's hear them express their thoughts as the effects of Jairaj Bhai's leadership and mentoring have trickled down to every one of us.
A very happy birthday to you, Jairaj Bhai, from the Jamnabai Nursery School family.
And many happy returns of the day from Jamnabai Nursery International School family, Jairaj Bhai.
We both have decided to speak together because we want to keep the spirit of teamwork running and leaping always, and you have been a strong propagator of this.
You are a teacher and mentor to all of us, and you have ability to motivate people around you through your words, action, and whatever we have learned from you, it goes to the community.
Going by the interaction that we have had with you, Jairaj Bhai, there are two things that I have learned from you. One, never get ruffled in times of adversity. And when both of us have come to your office with our concerns, there has never been a day where we have left your office without solutions from you.
You have taught us how to lead the team, how to bring them together, how to collaborate. That is what we have learned, and you have inspired in many ways in our interactions what we had. So we have experienced that as well.
You have been a great role model for us in terms of spirituality, in terms of integrity, and in terms of putting our best foot forward always.
On behalf of Jamnabai family, we all wish you happy 70th birthday, Jairaj Bhai.
Wishing you, Jairaj Bhai, a long, happy, healthy life ahead with your family, your friends, your well-wishers, and your school families.
Dearest Jairaj Bhai, we hope you enjoyed watching this collated video as much as we did putting it together for you. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday, and may we have many more occasions to keep celebrating your life.